November soybeans were down slightly, but they did extend their losses for the week. They are now down 44.25% for the week. It's a pretty large move to the downside for soybeans, and now have erased a lot of the bullishness that came from the EPA's biofuels proposals. Soybean oil has not done that, but soybean meal has now ventured into new lows. So the relationship of the products has equated into lower soybean prices as well. Soybeans themselves are now trading back below all of the major moving averages. That's the 200-day, the 100-day, the 50-day, the 20-day, and the 10-day, which they were all above at the end of last week. Our weekly export sales report it showed weekly export sales a little bit higher, or at the higher end of expectations. For old crop, they came kind of in the middle of expectations at 403,000 metric tons. The range of guesses was 200 to 600,000, but the new crop, or the crop that will begin on September 1st, as the crop that's in the ground gets harvested, that was 156,000 metric tons. The range of guesses there was 0 to 150, so that was a positive number. And we are now gearing up for what is one of the bigger or more anticipated reports of the year in the form of planted acreage that comes on Monday. And also along with that will come the quarterly grain stocks report. This is the third quarter of the marketing year that would be released on Monday as well. The average trade estimate for acreage is at 83.655 million acres. That's up slightly than the acreage intentions report that we saw for 83.5 million, and there is a rather large range of guesses between 82.5 and 85.3 million acres. So somebody might be surprised on Monday. We'll have to see what happens. And then for quarterly grain stocks, the average trade guess is 980 million bushels. The range there is really wide at 950 to 1.13 billion, 950 million to 1.13 billion. So stay tuned. There's a lot going on, especially here on Monday, and we'll be watching weather as well. So again, lots going on here in the soybean market. Everybody stay tuned and you stay safe.